Hello everyone, I am Tarun valireddy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are at day 7 of 100 days of cloud by KodeKloud. In the day 7 of task, we need to change the instance type. Actually, we are created or the launched a new instance in the day 6, right? So in the day 7 task, we are going to change the instance type from T2 micro to T2 nano. So for that, I'm using console as usual. I'm logged in using the credentials and search for EC2. Now click on instances that are running. Now try to change the instance type, but we need to stop the instance before we need to change the instance type. While the instance in running state, we can't change the instance type. So first we need to stop the instance. After the instance was stopped, then only we can change the instance type. So it was in still stopping state. We need to wait until it's shut down. Now we can see the instance was in stop state. Now let's change the instance type. Click on actions and instance settings. We can see here change the instance type. Now choose the T2 nano as per the requirement. Click on T2 nano. After that, just click on change instance type. You can see here instance type was changed successfully. Now let's wait to see that the instance was in running state. Then only our task will be completed. I think it was still in initializing state. We need to check. We can see here the instance type was changed to T2 nano. Now we need to start the instance. Now we can able to see that it was in the running state. Now let's try to check the solution whether it is completed or not. It was in the running state. Okay. In the point 2 it mentioned that make sure that EC2 instance is running state after that change. So as usual, has that the requirement, it was in running state. Let's try to check the solution. And we can see here we are successfully completed this task. And if you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video.